Orlando Pirates should avoid playing against Mamelodi Sundowns right now. The reason ngisho so is because Mamelodi Sundowns ama-player wabo, ama-key player wabo labo beba involved in them winning a CAF Champions League, labo that were involved in them winning e-league 8 times consecutively. Abo Teboho Mokoena babuyile, they look fit, and then ibonile into abayenzile against AmaZulu Izolo. If Orlando Pirates were to play Mamelodi Sundowns right now, Orlando Pirates would get a big hiding. I say this simply because it seems as though Pirates are a rebuilder, and Mamelodi Sundowns, it seems bona they just want to continue from where they left off. Beka nama signing wabo when in the first 4 games of the season Maikala, Sbonili Mamelodi Sundowns idlalise a lot of youngsters. Those youngsters took the game to Chiefs by Bambi Chiefs. So you can imagine if that day Chiefs idlala ne Sundowns bek nabo Tebogo Mokoena nabo banban bezokala. But lezo songena kuzo later siqaleni ngeChiefs. Kaizer Chiefs have a big crisis. Inkulu into eyenzakalayo lapha ku Chiefs. It doesn't make sense ukuthi bona every season there's more than 5 players injured. It doesn't make sense. Every season, there's more than 5 players injured. And ama player ba injured lapha ku Kaizer Chiefs. Ama player kuguthi ama key player. So by the time when they have to go compete for important competitions or bakumele badlala ama game abalulekile, they struggle simply because of ama injury. Ulangelihle Phili hasn't played 4 games for Chiefs. He hasn't played 4 games for Chiefs. He started one game coming off the bench against the Golden Arrows MTN 8, and then played another game le Mamelodi Sundowns. So he started 2 and then he won one game as a substitute, and then already seka injured. Either la machita la pe Jimini badlala na Raf or khona nje something umshikashikanyana owenzayo lapha yana ku Kaizer Chiefs. It doesn't make sense that ama player amawaya ku Chiefs baba injured. They sign players abasuka kuma team, uthola umuntu akazi aba injured, maybe udlale 2 season angabanga injured la suka khona, makafika ku Kaizer Chiefs besuba injured. Yini eyenzakalayo lapha ku Chiefs? Either labantu laba yini ama medical team wabo, ama conditioning coach, they are too hard on the players, or there's too much training, mhlambe ba investa kakhulu kwi fizi fitness nanani, and then when they have to play games game mhlambe Jimmy nakumele badlala ama 3 aside nanani bayakapana. But it honestly doesn't make sense. I will never understand lento leya ku Kaizer Chiefs. Every player ku Kaizer Chiefs maka saqeda ukusayina contract makafika kadlali 5 games in a row without them being injured. Please name me the last player to sign for Kaizer Chiefs wafika wadlala 5 games in a row without him being injured. Of course uMabuye had a slow start makasafika bamintroduce kancane. It doesn't make sense. And lama injury lawa ke, they are going to make it difficult for coach Fernando da Cruz ukuthi akwazi ukucompete nokuthi alethele Silva wele afuna ukuletha ku Chiefs. What's the solution? Abahambe bamsayinela ama player. That's the solution. He needs a lot of depth. Lento leyo ukuthi mhlambe i-key player lakhe lizoba umfundo umdu nophili loyo one makalimele, then sekumele ukuthi ateste ukuthi ithi ngifakele. Look at the issue eyenzakalayo ku left back. Bano Shinga, bano Bradley Cross, bano bani futhi Lrad. Bano Kwesa, bano Marco, ba injured bonke labo bantu labo. Now sebaphoqelekile ucoach ukuthi no, I have to improvise. He's playing against the Sundowns or he's playing a game during the week. Sekafostelekile ithi ngithatha uFrostler. Sekumele manje ucoach adlala guesswork ateste ukuthi ithi ngifake lo. What's happening ku Kaizer Chiefs? Why njalo ama player mawafika ku Chiefs baba injured, and ubaqaphele lama player ne, once aba injured makabuya injury uyastruggle ngeform. Bonke uba injured makabuya, then we are struggling ngeform. They keep losing ama key players wabo during the season because of form. I don't know what's happening. And the biggest issue right now also ku Kaizer Chiefs are players who are focused on individual brilliance more than bringing ama results for the team. The likes of Umfundo Vilakazi. Umfundo has been a player, and you understand where he comes from. By the way, Umfundo Vilakazi ngipikisana no Lerato kancane. Ufikile lapha ku Chiefs, ama supporter besonke besijabulile. Umfundo Vilakazi ufikile, ngifila ngathi ngu press conference. Umfundo Vilakazi ufikile, new player, wonke umuntu ujabulile from calling knockout, then uyangena bam introducer. He's been one player mafene ukuthi bebafuna ukumbona adlala. Uzothi makathola ithuba because sonke besijabulele ukumbona, and naye he's been yearning ukuthi athole indawo lapha na ku Kaizer Chiefs. Uzothi makangena uzofuna ukuperform ahlule abantu abaningi because akalitholanga ithuba elanele lokuthi asibonakalise. You look at how we played ku under 29, and by the time angena ku first team uzofuna ukudlala lento lebekayenza lapha, uzofuna ukushayina and be that guy. So you can't really blame him umjita ngokuthi sometimes aba selfish because ufuna ukuzibonakalisa. Imagine being part of a team from usasemncane, so yakhula manje uzongena kuma 20s wakho baloke bathi awuyeza afika ulangelihle Phili ashine, afika uvele by ashine, afika uBatman ashine. Uzoyenzani wena by the time uthola ithuba uzombomba ibhola now, and you'll be selfish, uzoyenza izinto ukuthi nawe ufuna ukubonakala, and leyo nto leyo iya affecta i team, which is why sihlezi sikhuluma ukuthi players must stop focusing on individual brilliance. Yes, sonke sifuna ukudlalela iBafana Bafana, sifuna ukuya overseas nanani, but we must always remember ukuthi lana sidlala as a team. I agree with you, Paul. All teams make mistakes and mistakes can be rectified, but sometimes amanye ama mistake team awaboni. That's why indawo yethu as ama supporter ukuthi siba correct, sibalethele lezi zinto lezi ekumele ukuthi bazi correct. I think uMdushabalala is overstayed his welcome ku Kaizer Chiefs. Uhlalile uMdu ku Chiefs, they've given him a fair. Yabona, if there's one player ku Chiefs oyiphiwe chance, uMdushabalala uyafana noYanela Mbuthuma ku Pirates, bamphile i-opportunity. The fans have been patient naye. Every coach ozayo lapha ku Chiefs yamuphi chance so much that bamthathe bamfaka naku Bafana Bafana. It's high time that the Chiefs accept ukuthi the boy will never be what they expect him to be. The solution is to either loan him out or bamthengisela amanye ama team ayothola ichance yokuthi adlala shine kwenye team. It doesn't make sense. There's no way you are promoted before Mfukeng uyafika adlale ashine aye kubafana bafana aye overseas. Unkotha futhi yakankotha sayikhulumi nokuyikhulumi half season sekasibonakalisile scores important goals le Morocco for iOrlando Pirates ku CAF Champions League eMorocco la kungakori noma ubani khona. Unkotha test to keeper from outside uyakora overseas. Mbokazi half season overseas. Now it doesn't make sense ukuthi uMdushabalala, all of these guys bamthole ku PSL, these guys bayamthola bayamshiya, and the excuse we always hear is that mara kadlali phakathi kwe structure. Is a structure now. He's struggling to play within that structure, so I think he'll never be the guy that Kaizer Chiefs wants him to be. I know abantu abaningi bazothi how you are being hard on the boy, but siphelile isikhathi sokuthi sibe soft on the boy. We have to be hard on him now. Sizolinda siloke sibe ne patience, sizesiguge nathi sibe lezi grace lokho silinda abantu. Kaizer Chiefs is a big team. If you are not performing ku Chiefs kwamele ukuthi bagrelease yodlala kwamanye ama team. Chiefs, Orlando Pirates neMamelodi Sundowns ziyafana neMadrid neBarcelona. If awuphi team ama results siyabonga mfethu, no bad blood, we are not a bad player, maybe you will go shine elsewhere. Hamba uyozama ko Man United, uyozama kwamanye ama team, because la ufailile uhlulakele. Umdushabalala won't be the guy that Kaizer Chiefs expects him to be. Angeke azayenze lento Chiefs eyifunayo. And enye into embulalayo uMdu is selfishness. Udlalela yena, udlalela ukuthi kukhulunywe ngaye post kuma TikTok. uHositsile is going to go through the exact same thing that uMdushabalala is going through ku Chiefs. uHositsile na uyambona makangena lapha ukuthi utaste uthando lama fan ngale game eMilford when he came on as a substitute. Le nto le yayisahleli la emqondweni wakhe ukuthi once the fans love you and wangena bakuscreamela then kuzoba mnandi. Bheka manje kwenzakalani. As a player, you need to forget about the fans. Play for the club. Angithi club yakubhadala nokuthi kumele uzibonakalise. Play for the club. Only when you play for the club, then you will do the right things. Nisibonele ku Bucks camp uMfukeng utheni. Bebafuna ukumthengisa wathi ngicela ukuwin ileague, ningangithengisa after. What does that tell you? Udlalela iClub ukuthi bafethu le club ingithathile yangipromoter, it gave me an opportunity, and then now he proved ukuthi kwamele ukuthi aye overseas wabawinela le league le abawinela yona. So I don't understand, and I don't think as much as coach Fernando de Cruz ngiyamthanda, but I don't think this is going to be the season we thought Kaizer Chiefs was going to have. Why am I saying this? Basafara from ama injury. Ama player waba very inconsistent. Uyadlala namhlanje, next week akadlali. Umchethu has been having 2-3 games nyana ezintswembu, played well against iSkhukhune. Some said he deserved to be player of the match, and then wadlala kahle against the Sundowns, player of the match, and then izolo Chiefs played without him. Abantu sebathi uyafuneka next game uzongena adlala and not have a good game, and then sebathi umthetho naye kusona. So Kaizer Chiefs is still going to struggle. Unfortunately, struggle Sagu Chiefs is not over, and it's something ezologi qhubeke over and over and over again, because there are some players abakhona lapha who don't offer the club what the club needs, but the club continues to remain loyal to those players. Unkosi Ngiphile Ngcobo yini azoyenza different to what he did last season kule season? What he was last season, he will continue to be this season. What he was the season before, he will continue to be kule season le. And this is not being hard on players, but this is sometimes ukola out izinto ukuthi zilimaza team. Release the guys obabona ukuthi nebaphile a chance, but they didn't do the team anything. Now Yusuf Mat bafikile, but they had better seasons than abangcoba bathole balaphaya. It doesn't make sense bafethu. Kwamele ukuthi bam release, and then what the club is now doing is they are doing a disservice and an injustice to lomfana lo Samkelo Zwane. Usamkelo Zwane akaliphiwanga ithuba elanele yena njengabumdu nabo Ngcobo nabo banibani. Yena 1-2 seasons nyana uyathatha uyalona uyahanjiswa. He's not a ready product. Laba abalaba funa ukubapheka at professional level. There are certain things by the time you make it to professional level mele ukuthi uyazazi. We can't be teaching you how to space udlala ku professional. We can't be teaching you how to release and when to release the ball udlala ku professional. Like abo Duba, we can't be teaching you ukuthi ndoda mawuse boxing ibhola malize ekhanda lishaye ngekhanda. Those are basic things that you should know as a professional player. You need to know, especially if you are playing as a forward, ibhola malihamba la inyawo lakho liyofika kanjani le. Lofika kanjani le inyawo lakho ibhola lihamba la jumpa uheade ibhola basic things ze football. Coach Fernando de Cruz for me is a good coach. And uyambona ukuthi De Cruz can turn the Chiefs into their team less yazi win ama trophy ngapha nangapha. The problem is that he doesn't have the quality to deliver a silverware for the Chiefs. What's the solution? Go sign him players, release amanye ama player. Ezinye izinto take it and copy. Ubheka kwamanye ama team ukuthi ne lawa uthe lo maka ngasatholi game time bamthatha bamthengisa. I'm telling you a lot of teams would want to buy him to Shabalala from the Chiefs. And maybe he will do well kwamanye ama Chiefs, kwamanye ama team. It's just the Chiefs ukuthi iumthwalo for yena lo mfana lo. So lama injury lawa azoyi cost the Chiefs kule season. Ama inconsistency in terms of ama player is going to cost the Chiefs kule season le. Again, going back to the point of inconsistency. Peterson had a beautiful season last season. Uqala kanjani le season le? Inconsistency. Simlwele last season sithuku Hugo Bruce. Wayangamkhethanga la khona Hugo Bruce uhlela uphuzi shaya shot whiskey yasho ukuthi ngintshelile. Oshaya shot whiskey lapha eBelgium uyasho ukuthi ngintshelile. uPeterson you can't bafethu as a professional player. Kunormal ukuluza form mara kunenkathi la ungeke uzuluze khona. Once you pick up your form you take it and run with it. It's funny abanye bazothi it's normal ukuthi abantu baluze form. When was Itumeleng Khune ever out of form? Didn't he play for the same Chiefs? He did. Didn't he captain iBafana Bafana? He did. He even captained the Chiefs. Uwini into ezingakhi ne Chiefs. Ngicela ningitshele when was Itumeleng Khune ever out of form? Ukila out of form Itumeleng Khune? When was he ever out of form? When was Rinelo Tsulunyani playing for Chiefs ever out of form? Bebaba limaza babuye but it still perform. Why? Why is it different with this current generation? Laba bona mele ukuthi sibanese sibancenge sithi give him time. Whereas we've seen players play that position. Asiqali manje ukubona umuntu adlala position kaMdu Shabalala. We've seen play. I even used intanga zakhe as an example abomfukeng. Ukuthi how is it that laba bona bakwazile ukwenza so? Don't tell me about a better structure, better what. Simple. Aseka amaZulu maqokolo, why is he playing so well? In a small team ke. He's playing very well. Uyakwazi ukuchallenge abo Pirates. As much as Sundowns Ungwenya is a good example. He scored a brace against Sundowns playing for a small team. Now, why is it that there has to be a difference? Loma seka se team in Nkulu City. There's pressure. There's even more pressure from AmaZulu because ama team angakawin ama cup in a lot of seasons. So I pressure igwa AmaZulu because mele guti swini cup bafethu sigcineni nokuphakamisa icup ezamaZulu. So pressure, there's more pressure kaMaZulu than ku Pirates. Ama defending champions nanan. So I honestly don't understand. And yes, we need to give these young stars the chance ukuthi bashine. Marila Mamelodi Sundowns beats Chiefs in the Pirates corner. Sundowns they keep their experienced players. And then lama experienced players bawahlanganise with the young stars. These experienced players baphala babancane ilokunja experience. By the time these young ones play, now they can carry the team. You understand? Now these young ones they can carry the team. Aba Ben Mukwena 3 seasons from now is going to be a key player in Mamelodi Sundowns. Undlovu so yambona already ukuthi naye gradually bayampheka ukuthi next season akwenzakale so. And you know besihleke Sundowns when the season started City they are nothing without Tebogo Mukwena. Umkwena ubuyile badlala sharp nyavuma. But you look at what Mamelodi Sundowns is trying to do. Bafundisa labafana labo ukudlala under pressure, playing at that level so that by the time Mukwena have to leave or have to retire, Lamachidala will be able to take over. Mamelodi Sundowns unfortunately bafethu ingizusubhlungu lento lengizoyisho. Mamelodi Sundowns is taking back what's theirs. Mamelodi Sundowns is going to win this league. I don't think there's any team in the PSL right now that can stop Mamelodi Sundowns. At their worst, noma banga consider magola engaki but it's difficult for them to lose a game. Noma ba consider it's difficult for them to lose a game. Mamelodi Sundowns has to be the only team in the PSL that can come back from behind. Iskola ngui 2-0 bangabuyi Sundowns babuyele ba win futhi. So they are definitely going to win Le League Lena good season and they are going to take it from Orlando Pirates because Orlando Pirates are rebuilding squad sabo. Pirates iqalela phansi squad sabo. Most of their experienced players are injured, but of all of those experienced players again uba no consistent kulama player Pirates are injured manje other than Talent Mbata. Mahupa doesn't give you a consistent performance. Tsebang Muremi is a player that has his moments. So Mbata, umuntu waziyo ukuthi angadlala 5 games in a row, abe effective, abe important, and then he knows how to command in midfield yakhe, a control and a tempo ye game. So experience versus inexperience, experience will always win. Lama Chita buyike win CAF Champions League babuyike kwenzana and then we expect ukuthi abo Masilela badlale nabo. We expect ukuthi abo Ngwato badlale nabo. We expect ukuthi abo Matume nabo banibani badlale nalabantu laba. You can't tell me you expecting ukuthi uMukobodi adlale neMamelodi Sundowns and fight for the league. He tried kuStellenbosch, he failed dismally. Uzamile ukuchallenge Sundowns, he failed. If he couldn't do it at Stellenbosch, what makes you think he'll do it with Pirates? ezinye izinto as ama-club owner nama-scout nanani common sense asebenziseni ingqondo. He couldn't do it in a small team. What makes you think uzoyenza eteamini enkulu? It's really disappointing sometimes masibheka ibhola lase-South Africa and we see teams repeat the same mistakes over and over again. I'm going to use uTito as an example. Personally, not a favorite player. I have nothing against him. He's just a player engayithandi. Yile player engilicabangayo khona manje. uTito is an experienced player ePirates. He's won Nedbank Cup back-to-back with Pirates. He's won MTN 8 3 times in a row. He's won uke wafika ku semi-final ye-CAF Champions League ne-Pirates. He's played for iBafana Bafana. Kunalanga ama-qualifiers we-AFCON uTito was the one beka kora Magulu Themba Zwane injured. And then uTito won the league ne-Orlando Pirates last season. What does that make uTito? It makes him a credible player, number one. It makes him a player ne-experience. It makes him a player ongadlala on any occasion. He's traveled outside the country to go compete. So angadlala on any occasion. On top of that, uke wadlala na phesheya. Angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani khona bazi kangcono lezo ndaba lezi akusindaba yami. Uke waya kodwa phesheya mabasha abanye. Now this guy has the experience. As much as unenkinga, this guy has the experience. When as a team uyamthatha uyamthengisa, then you want to replace him ngomfana osuka ku development, and you're expecting that boy osuka ku development to fill in icathulo zalo muntu ona zonke lezi zinto lezi enqeda ukuzisho. Ona zonke lezi zinto lezi enqeda ukuzisho. uTito would come off the bench last season for Pirates angena kore. Angena kore ukuthi team bekungana umuntu okore, angena uTito akore. Adlale maybe leyo 10 minutes, but he would come on and be effective. Then you take that person uyamthatha uyamhambisa sharp. Okay, uTito hambile. Again, Mabasa won all of lezi zinto lezi engizikhulumile nePirates with lezi zinto uTito azwinile uMabasa uzwinile zonke. Uyamthatha uyamhambisa. You sign uMbuthuma, who's never won anything with Richards Bay. He's never won anything with Richards Bay, never played for Bafana Bafana, played that day with Hugo Bruce at Wonkama Player Sundowns Bapumulile when he was a friendly. That's the only time he played. You take him, ufuna replace Mabasa ngaloyo muntu loyo. Sharp. Again, you have Mfukeng, good Sambongela, uyahamba. Who do you replace him with? Orlando Pirates have released all of their experienced players and decided to replace them ngabafana bangena experience. What Orlando Pirates is doing now is they are rebuilding iteam yabo, and as fans kumele ukuthi ama-fan abe ne-patience. Just accept ukuthi they could win the MTN 8, they might not. They could win a league, which I doubt will happen. They might not. They might compete with CAF, which I doubt will happen, or they might not. Ama competition, e-league ne CAF, if we need experience. About Tebogo Mokoena know what it's like to go 2 seasons without an injury. Adlala ama game back to back, Africa, Bafana Bafana, adlala MTN 8, adlala i-Carling knockout, aphinda abuye ku-Sundowns perform. Even when Tebogo Mokoena is having a bad game, he has a good game in a bad game. That's how much experience he has. Nabo Grant Kekana, nabo Banban, because I understand the tempo yokuthi bafethi season mayithi when you can't go here. You can't drop a season mayithi. It's fine to have a slow start, but once the season gets tense, last sesiyabona ukuthi siqala ukudrop ama points asikwazi ukehla. That's what Chiefs and Pirates are suffering from, unfortunately. That's what Chiefs and Pirates are suffering from, unfortunately. Chiefs has an issue, yama injury, and players who are very inconsistent. I don't blame the coach. Yabo kule yona angiblame the coach. Ushiluta Cruz atuzopha Mfundo Vilakazi a chance. Now question is, has Mfundo Vilakazi ever had to be the important player for any team in his life? Has he ever had to be an important player in his life? Number one is the first question you need to ask. Sharp. Uzomfaka umfundo, umfaka uBatman naye unenkinga ye-consistency, uphili asikaka kwazi ukumjaja because sizobe sinamanga unless abantu ababheka iPSL ngale ndlela uthi umbonile wonke ama-game akhe ku-Stellenbosch. Otherwise ama-stats esingazi nokuthi iqiniso. I don't like stats mina because labantu abacalculate ama-stats sometimes sisuke singahlalanga nabo nabawabala. Bazokutshela ukuthi umuntu ube na 500 touches on the ball, akusuke ukuthi bazokuvezela bathi 1 2 phuma sekuphuma i-stats ethi 500 touches on the ball. uCedric Kaze beka ucoach wama-stats, uwineni ngama-stats. Now ngizamkhalela kusikhukhuna busy nama stats. So that's the problem ke kula ma team lawa we2. This team believes kuma key players wabo, they would rather pay ama key players wabo more ukuthi bangacabangi nokuthi baye phesheya so that the club can continue to thrive and be successful. There are players that you are willing to lose and there are players that you just can't lose as a team. Into kumele ukuthi yazi kuyafana nasemsebenzini, angafika umuntu omncane omusha abe intern asebenze kahle, by the time as a company sithi samsign bese kukokoda ngecompany next door bamufara imali eningi sithi hamba, mara ucabanga ukuthi lo angahamba but we can't lose uNkuli. Nkuli has been with this company for 15 years. Nkuli has helped the company become more profitable. Yayenza lokhu nalokhu nalokhu. So Nkuli, we can't afford to lose you. If Nkuli unenkinga ye discipline, the company sits him down, go to boy, what's the problem? Khumbulana ama-soccer player amaningi bafethu basuka emalokishini nasemakhaya. La sisuka khona emalokishini nasemakhaya sisuka sibhekelela abantu estradini ba-behave some type of way. A lot of us come from broken families. So into oyibona estradini for you becomes the model yempilo. Uzitshela ukuthi nayo indlela yokuphila. So that's why uzozwa about every weekend iplay elithile simbone Thembisa uyaphuza wenzani. Hi reality yakhe. As a club, be that father figure, be that role model. If uke wayibheka le documentary yaka Jose Mourinho, uzibonele, he was building relationships namaplayer wakhe nabantwana bamaplayer, amaplayer besayahamba win ama-league, but awethu ama-coach awajaja amaplayer. Bakhuluma 99 ku-media ukuthi lo bekazoya ku-World Cup if it wasn't for his behavior. Imagine i-coach yakhe ikhuluma ngawe ku-media. I-coach is telling everyone emhlabeni wonke ukuthi wena unenkinga ye-behavior. Tito was actually lucky to get that move, because now if i-coach yakhe icoachayo ithi bozoya ku-World Cup, but because of other things awukhonanga ukuya, amanye ama-team ane-interest bazosho ukuthi if i-country yakhe we're willing to lose him for a World Cup, thina wayabalekile kithi. Ithi nathi sijike siflatele. Then afika umdusibeko athi 1 2 3 bese wonke umuntu yakhala mara owadu right hands into azenzayo. South Africa, what a country. What a weird country we live in. Thina sesifela nje ukuthi sihlalela sakhuluma into esibonayo ukuthi this guy is killing the club. Uze kuthi ungayiposti bazokuzonda as if ngithe ngifuna ukuthandwa mina. But ke yeah, into leyo engikhuluma ngayo, i-Chiefs ne-Pirates, those are the mistakes. I-Chiefs are suffering from injury prone players. Ama-player we-Chiefs angazi bafethu kwenzakalani, either lamajita adlela nomona ejimini bayakapana or chemical engineering, angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. But whatever's happening at Kaizer Chiefs is going to affect lo coach lo, and when it affects the coach, into ebuhlungu is that team management izobuya ithethisa coach bese kusasa coach uyahamba babuya abantu kuma socials bathi yeah no the problem is that no lo coach lona akakwazi ukusebenzisa ama player wethu, but you can see ukuthi the players nabo abazinakekeli. As players guys, siyicelile lento before, ngicela ukucela futhi, ngicela ama players nakekele. Like players, please take care of yourselves bafethu. Like yazi football is such a short term career. At most it's 10 years mawukuthi ifikile. 8 years just stay away from alcohol and smoking so that you can be fit. Bheka nabo Dion Hoto mdala kanjani mara ugijima ngathi una 25. When was the last time you heard ukuthi Hoto was injured? Ugcine nini kuze abantu Hoto ulimele? Because he takes care of himself. I don't know how he lives outside the pitch. Maybe unezinto zakhe azenzayo, but he looks like someone who healthy, umuntu ozinakekelayo. These youngsters must learn from Abo Hoto. What happened to Ulangile Phili? What happened to Ulangile Phili? Less than 5 games and he's already injured and then out for 6 weeks. New team bafethu. Siqeda ukukusayina ngemali ehloliwe, we even lost players to sign you. Mawusafika boom, injury. Doesn't that concern you as a Kaizer Chiefs fan? Doesn't that worry you as a Chiefs fan? Doesn't that, as a Chiefs fan, doesn't that bring you umqondo ukuthi there might be something happening within the club? Either ama fitness coach wethu are too hard on the players, or the players themselves badlela nomona bayakapana ejimini. Funny enough, uMiguel akalimali. It's always the key players and important players the Chiefs eziba nama injured. Uzwe nini bathi unasho Miguel ulimele, makangadlali is injured. I mean makangadlali is suspended for a red card or anything. He's never injured. So it honestly doesn't make sense. Ama players is abathi balimela simbonanga alimale gaming. Mina the last player that I saw other than Umunyani Zolo alimale gaming simpeka bekumdusha balala lesikhathi Chiefs idlala ne Sundowns. Every other player uzasebathi ulimele. In Utabiso Munyani naye bafethu, each time uyeza he has a good season, a promise abe important for the club, boom, injured. Upase Kamako abuye abe promising, boom, injured. Ushinga ngifuna nokukhuluma, angikhumbuli simbona dlala. He's probably played 2 games for Chiefs, injured. Ukhanyisa mayo ulimale nini? Ulimane nini ukhanyisa mayo? Ulinyazwe yini futhi? There's something happening lapaya. Goes back naku Orlando Pirates. I'm starting to see the same trend of Leon Toleo. Why I say this? Evidence makhupa simbona ngalimala pithi ulimele. Kabelo Dlamini sezwa sebathu ulimele, wafika ngefinal league sekafaka icast enyaweni, ankle support, whatever you call it. Lela boots lelela sekaphethelela kufaka lela boots athi uyophakamisa icup injured. Nini kanjani? UDion ulimale nini? When was the last time he kicked the ball? When was the last time Simbona dlala but now injured? Now you go to a player with Sundowns, Simbonile Mkwena limali gaming. We understand what happened. Levels bafethu. That's the difference. So yeah bafethu mina izo lezo engifuna ukukhuluma ngazo. Nyaza okay, siyabonga ukusicorrecta casual KG Makhupa was injured during a training session in Spain. Training session. We don't even know for sure ngoba besingayibhekelela ngaleyo training session. I don't know what's happening, Bafethu. There's something big happening in the PSL and we need to call these things out. Just before I close, I just want to talk about indaba yaga. Yes, yeah, kungenzeka too much sangoma practices, it's possible. Mhlambe chemical engineering lapha bathatha iqanda babhale igama lakho. Hey, Pirates azenza izinto. I just want to talk about indaba yaga Pitso Mosimane neSAFA. It's not fair what SAFA is doing to Pitso Mosimane. And clearly SAFA doesn't want to appoint him as their head coach. If abamfuni mabangammoshela isikhathi, mabangaloke bamisa lena le. Yazi why ngisho so. Should they continue lento abayenzayo izoqala inkulumo ze-race eSouth Africa. It's going to divide our country unnecessarily, as they would say in English. Divide the country too unnecessarily. So mabayeke lento le abayenzayo SAFA. Either they give him the job or they don't give him the job. But mina, from what I'm seeing here, SAFA doesn't want to employ Pitso Mosimane. They want to give him every reason to turn down the offer so that to us the public it can appear as though Pitso didn't want to accept my terms with SAFA. Then they go get someone that they can control. Bamtshele ukuthi adlalise bani enzeni. Pitso Mosimane is the best black coach. Actually, he's the best local coach in South Africa. Name me a trophy that Pitso has in one besides Lama Trophy as Europe. Libiza angakaze alwini uPitso I trophy. He is more experienced than Hugo Broos for that job for me. Pitso Mosimane has more experience than Hugo Broos than that for that job than Hugo Broos. He has a better understanding of South African football. And now, khona into enginga-understand into ebuya yangixaka yaka Hugo Broos ukuthi isn't he retired? So ungena apha endabeni ze-South Africa manje. It's like when ufuna ukungena indaba zomzwe ex yakho ungenaphi? Angithi uhlukene naye. Hugo Broos enjoy retirement. Whoever bafana decides to appoint ungena apho wena. Akusumsebenzi wakho. Uyenzile into oyenzile uhambiye waya World Cup sharp. Enjoy retirement. What right does he think he has ukuthi yena ngakhuluma ukuthi the problem is that la South Africa ama agent afuna ukucontrol abenzeni 123 batshela ucoach ukuthi adlale bani because sekumele ngene uPitso ubona ukuthi akhiphe lezo indaba. When he was bafana head coach akazikhipanga why? Uzikhipha manje. Now that is no longer there, sekumele kungena omunye umuntu isuccessor yakhe sekafuna ukukhipha lawo mafile lawo, and that's disrespect to Pitso Mosimane. How does he know for sure ukuthi uPitso mangafona ama agent uzothatha ibribe maceda lapho uPitso yena besavumela ukuthi labantu laba badlala? That's indirectly accusing uPitso of corruption. That's indirectly accusing uPitso of into efana naleyo. He had no right to say that. And him also saying that Bafana will go back 5 years if they appoint to Pitso Mosimane. It's disrespect on Pitso Mosimane. But I don't blame him. I blame SAFA. Yiba bayivumaya bayamkelayo le disrespect lena so that bona they can go get another European coach abazomthatha. The problem here also starts from the PSL. Chiefs ne Pirates ama coach abawo coach awakuphi. Coach Mamelodi Sundowns currently eyakuphi. As a local coach had to be replaced by a European coach. Fernando da Cruz wakuphi. Siyavuma bazosho ukuthi lo mfana lo wePirates konje bani? Owadu wase Morocco but ukhulele kuphi ukhuluma luphi ulimi ufundele kuphi coaching yakhe. Pitso Mosimane's crime is just being from the PSL. That's his only crime right now. Ukuthi yena ijeni yakhe coach iqale ku PSL. That's his only crime right now. And at this point, mina, if I were to meet Pitso or if I knew him on a personal level, bengizothi yeka Brian, go find a bigger coach, but bigger team to coach. Hambi yoshina elsewhere. You deserve way much more and better than what's happening, especially more big PSL uyokhetha bani anyway. Anyway khona manje ku-PSL ngoba nama players wathembile wakazibonakalisa. So far ama players suka ku World Cup adlalayo manje ku-PSL uTeboho Mokoena osimbonayo ukuthi usana la energy leya laba abanye iform has been off abo police baphansi. So uPitso Mosimane, SAFA is not fair. SAFA is not fair. What has Hugo Broos achieved as a coach more than uPitso? Yini achieve ukuhlula uPitso ukuthi win iCAF neCameroon. So is that a big achievement? Go to win iCAF ne Cameroon, that makes him better than uPitso. Yini enye winile Hugo Broos, journalist. Uyezwa ke. Win nje ne Cameroon kuphela on the continent. Ungasitshela, I'm sure win 19 banibani bafana ngakabuyi ku professional football. Pitso Mosimane is more successful than Hugo Broos. Of course, he deserves more money, he deserves more freedom, and he deserves a better backing from us South African because he's our own. Why is it that I'm a Springbok bona ba coach South African beka lishayina kanjani? Uba no complainayo lapha. Urasi Rasmus is South African. He's coaching the Springboks. He's successful. Akuna muntu okhala ukuthi in. Again, the division between SAFA, PSL, ama Springboks ne cricket, le division le ibulala sports sethu sonke la eSouth Africa. Angeke kuzonqoba irugby kuphela bese ibhola liya struggle lona. Why? laba barani ibhola bane agenda. That's the problem. There's a beef le phezulu. Kune beef ele phezulu, and I know ukuthi sometimes ma umuntu onomlomo omkhulu okhulumayo abantu bazofuna ukukuthulisa, bazofuna ukukusilence ngama threat. By the way, laba abafuna ukungena kuma TikTok wethu ne basithuke kuma DM. I want to tell you something. We slim. The reason I'm saying this is because ufuna ukuyosupport abelungu abathola ikipa zePirates zamala abo Michael Morton. Umuntu omnyama ofana nawe makakhuluma iqiniso ubona ukuthi umthuko. Pirates is doing poor this season. The only way Pirates is right is that khuluma iqiniso ukuthi Pirates is la linyongo. That's how we fix the situation there. The only way we fix the structure sama PSL awards ukuthi lo muntu hosta lama awards uyamosha. We need to talk about the things that are going to better our football. I love Junior Kanya, fighting no one, trying to fix South African football. I have beef with no one. Angilwi namuntu, angilwi nama brand, angenzi in all mina I'm saying is that I'm just a young South African boy who wants the best for our football. Because mina mangibheki Europe, I don't think Lela Pololo is better than ours. I don't think mina Europe. That's how Peterson 2 games. Bonile ukuthi PSL la. Took Europe kube sekakore hat-trick. PSL yambonisa uSebastian Peterson ukuthi PSL le. So those are the things. Those are the things as moshakayo ke bafithu lezo ebholweni lethu. Unfortunately namhlanje angivumeleka ngabafithu ukuthi ngithathe abantu abazofuna sibaningi e-studio. Ngibonile earlier on uLerato Soccer beka khona, uNkulu beka khona, khona namanye ama legend azayo. But yizo ke mina izinto lezo bengifuna ukuzi addressa. Sizobuya sikhulume futhi next time. Ngiyabonga ukuthi nisijoine. Thank you. Cerealist breakfast, it's ready for you to eat. Igama uMntu Sibeko online.